Hi, I'm Richard King III with Roadwear Incorporated. Did you have a unicycle jousting competition with sledgehammers out on your park patio? Probably not. Did a battle royale take place between Godzilla, the Frankenstein monster, and Chuck Norris out on your exposed aggregate? No. But chances are you probably still have a crack or spall in your decorative concrete. Roadwear Incorporated has invented one product for your decorative concrete troubles. MatchCrete Clear. It's a two-part UV-stable hybrid polyurethane that when mixed with other materials can match the surrounding concrete.
Alright, now let me briefly demonstrate to you how to properly prepare exposed aggregate and stamped concrete using MatchCrete Clear. Start off with exposed aggregate. First step, after making sure that your crack is dry and free of debris, is opening it up with the saw blade, making sure that you have enough room to work with.
You should open up the crack to at least 1/4 inch wide, and at least 1/2 inch wide for exposed aggregate. Grinding helps clear out any loose fragments and gives the MatchCrete a better surface to bond to.
Next, prepare an equal batch of just basic MatchCrete using either the gun, shooting it out through the mixer, or an equal ratio of 1 part A and 1 part B.
Prepare equal amounts of side A and side B, no more than 1 pint each. When mixing, the MatchCrete will appear cloudy at first, then within seconds it will clear. Mixing more than a combined total of 1 quart may affect the quality of the mix.
Next, we will be adding the appropriate materials necessary for an exposed aggregate repair, such as the aggregate, silica sand for filler, and grout for color.
Add aggregate to the mix until it becomes thick and mortar-like. Next, add any fine materials such as sands or quartz to fill space and mildly color. Add small amounts of colorants at a time, such as dry pigments or grout. What you'll see here is not a huge spall repair, so what I'm going to do instead of adding the aggregate to the initial mix, I'm hand placing it in to simply fill space. After applying throughout, wait until the MatchCrete becomes slightly tacky, then seed the top lightly with materials used other than colorants.
For the stamped concrete repair, we're going to start off just like the exposed aggregate, with some silica sand and some grouts for blending of the color. Except we're going to change out the main ingredient from exposed aggregate to this red pigment.
First, add any fine materials such as sands or quartz to fill space and mildly color. Add small amounts of colorants at a time, such as dry pigments or grout. Any materials you place in will become what we call wetted out, giving it a deeper, darker color. Adding small amounts of light or dark grouts helps tint the color, and a combination of which will have a graying effect to the mix. When applying, keep in mind the MatchCrete will get tacky, so smoothing works better than scraping. After applying throughout, wait until the MatchCrete becomes slightly tacky, then seed the top lightly with materials used other than the colorants.
Finally, once the MatchCrete Clear is fully cured within 24 hours, clear off any excess debris and roughen up the top surface to help blend it in.
Finally, lightly abrade the surface, clearing off any excess materials used. Sandpaper should be efficient. Larger jobs may require power tools, such as a wire brush drill.
The choice is clear. From all of us at Roadwear to you.
Let's bond!